Hi, my name is Dr. Kevin Jones and I'm the head of geology at Hills Road. A-level geology will give you an understanding of how the Earth has been formed, how it has evolved and has functioned by studying the record in the rocks. You will learn why volcanoes and earthquakes happen, where they occur and how resources have been created over geological time that can be developed for our benefit. Geology is full of transferable skills. You will learn how to accurately record data and then interpret its significance. You will also learn practical skills in both the lab and the field, leaving you well equipped to deal with a variety of different situations. Geology is a physical science that provides an alternative route into a vast array of science degrees. This includes earth and environmental sciences, oceanography, volcanology, paleontology, forensic science, and resource-based courses such as oil, mining, and hydrogeology.
I've always been interested in paleontology, dinosaurs, and I volunteered at the Sedgwick Museum, which is about paleontology and earth sciences and geology. And I never knew anything very much about the rock side of it, and it's always just been interesting for me. So I thought I might want to learn about rocks as well as paleontology.
Actually, somewhat similar, as I read a book about paleontology, and as someone who was already interested in science, paleontology felt like a really great step into that area, because it kind of connected several things, and you realize how the multidisciplinary nature of geology is so applicable to all the other so many other subjects.
Throughout your time at Hills, you will be able to take part in activities that will enhance your experience and learning of geology. Field trips, listening to external speakers, our fantastic geography society and student competitions are all available to you.
So in second year geology, you go on a 5-day trip to Dorset, and you're looking at all the early Jurassic sediments and all of the ways that you go to several different locations and you see all the ways that the different beds fit together and the different processes that have gone on. And I think the shared experience and the shared passion of geology really brings the class together, and it's a very good experience.
Yeah, and there's also a trip in the first year, which I'm excited to be going on to, and that is up in Norfolk, and that will be looking at sediments.
Studying geology provides a unique opportunity to take a rapidly developing and a dynamic science subject that offers a hands-on approach to investigating a range of materials. Through lab and fieldwork, you will examine rocks, minerals and fossils to explore evidence of past environments and catastrophic events.
You start off with the 3 rock groups, you start off with minerals, and then in the second year you apply all that knowledge to maps and different industrial aspects of geology. And it's really nice to see how your work in the first year is applied in that second year. And there's a lot of more practical applications than you might think, and there's obviously lots of different areas that people might be more interested in. My favourite bit was the early life and seeing how life evolved and the kind of mass events that Earth has been through in the past.
I'm currently doing igneous rocks, and that's really exciting because it builds on the very, very first topic of minerals, and you get to see how some minerals have progressed, what the content of certain rocks are, depending on what the colour even is, and it can tell you what the rocks are. And then we're now kind of transitioning onto volcanoes and sort of larger things. You start very, very small and everything builds up, and you learn sort of larger things.
Throughout this course, you'll learn the fundamentals of geology, how to interpret the geological record, and a variety of geological themes, including geohazards, geological map applications, and geology of the lithosphere.